Hello everyone. So if you want to build a one block elevator or an elevator which works with redstone, follow my steps. First, we place a sticky piston. Let me solve that. Then get our sticky piston facing upwards, smooth stone, one temporarily, dust under it. Now sticky piston up here. Swap the temporary block with redstone torch. Our smooth stone, and a repeater, the redstone torch again. One block here, another sticky piston, and another block here. Now, a block besides the sticky piston, and an observer facing upwards. Then we put a redstone dust here, and a block besides it. Wait, like that. And another observer facing here. And remember to place your two swappable blocks and a node block. Wait, I can make this just up a bit. I will place another observer here. Then a redstone dust, our block, same thing on observer, and the node block. So now when we press it, these blocks swap. So now we make our simple design. We cover all of this. A small floor. Remember to cover the node block on top so it doesn't make any noise. Now we build upward. You can make it as long as you want. I will stop like here. Now we will place a block here and an observer. Then another redstone, another block, and another observer. And the cycle continues as long as your tunnel should be. Another redstone, a smooth stone, and an observer. So here would be our floor. We put the redstone dust here, then our block, our node block, and the observer. So when we press this, it swaps. Let me just build a small floor right here. Close this. Now we place signs or anything to prevent the water from coming out. So now we put our water blocks. If you encounter any problem with the water, you can check on my video on elevators. So now we just covered the whole thing, and if we don't want to go down, we press this block, it goes down. We want to go up, we press it again, and we go up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.